To read about advanced feature in Excel. I am your computer teacher Sanjay Sharma for class 7. We all of you know about that. It is the feature of MS Excel to filter the data. Now see in the MS Excel how we are going to apply the MS Excel to filter the data. Means that is the advanced filter. Okay. Now first of all we know that what is advanced filter Excel. Advanced filter of different form of auto filter in Excel. This feature is not like a button which can be used on a single click of mouse. To use an advanced filter, first we have to define the criteria for the auto filter and then click on the data tab, and then in the advanced section for the advanced filter where we fill our criteria for the data. Now here is the first step how we can advance the filter. For example, suppose we have following data filter based on the different criteria. See, this is the list. From this we are going to filter the data. Okay, see here, this list are given over here. Now we are going to apply this list to filter the data. Now see here, this list has been given over here. Now we are going to apply this all. Okay, now here we are going to apply. First of all, we need to check the sales transaction which was made by Taran and Suresh. Then we can use the OR operator which display the record satisfying any of condition to get the result. We can following the step to apply this filter Excel. Okay. Now first step, to apply advanced feature we need to filter selected any of the cells in the data range. Okay, first of all we have to select the data range from this table. Now second step, then click on data tab and sort filter group and advanced command. Okay, this is the way how we can going to apply this. Okay, now here I am showing you, this is the data, and in the data and click on this. Okay, see here, advanced. Okay, this is the way to sorting the data. Now first we have to sort the data. Okay, in the advanced one. Now we are applying. As we click on the advanced, dialog box appear, filter will then open the list range to the criteria for the defining the criteria, and extend the range for the copying the filter data if desired. See here, when we click, the dialog box will appear, and from here now we can apply these symbols to extract the data. Okay, now see here, advanced filter in data, that is called the advanced filter. Okay, this is the data and we are applying the formula. Okay, now see, we want to get the records having the name Suresh or Taran. The criteria range would be like below. Okay, see here, Suresh and Taran. Okay, now click on the data and there we will going to clear this. Okay, now copy the another location. Okay, now we are open the advanced feature and this here. Okay, now where we want to access the data have to copy the in that location. Now especially the list range means we have to range apply over here. Okay, copy to another location where we want to copy the this data. Okay, now see here the result. We can see all the records having the name Suresh or Taran are the filter out and displaying separately in the different cells. Okay, see here how they have done this their work. Now this is the record of the Suresh and Taran, as whatever they have collected the fee or whatever is the example where we can apply. Now this is the way how we can apply the advanced feature in the MS Excel. Thank you.